Quality Engineer Interview Practice Questions, Set 9. Question 1. What is the purpose of a bug life cycle? A. To identify the number of bugs in the system. B. To track the status of defects from discovery to resolution. C. To measure the effectiveness of the testing process. D. To prioritize which bugs should be tested first. The correct answer is B. To track the status of defects from discovery to resolution. The bug life cycle tracks the status and progression of each defect through resolution. Question 2. Which type of testing is conducted to ensure new functionality works with existing features? A. Integration testing. B. Unit testing. C. Regression testing. D. System testing. The correct answer is C. Regression testing. Regression testing ensures that new changes do not disrupt existing functionality. Question 3. What is smoke testing? A. A preliminary test to check if the system works after a build. B. A test to check system performance under extreme load. C. A test that involves checking the security of the system. D. A test for ensuring data integrity. The correct answer is A. A preliminary test to check if the system works after a build. Smoke testing checks basic functionality to ensure the software build is stable enough for further testing. Question 4. What is the purpose of unit testing? A. Testing the performance of the entire system. B. Testing individual components or functions of the software. C. Testing the integration of different modules. D. Testing the software under real-world conditions. The correct answer is B. Testing individual components or functions of the software. Unit testing focuses on testing individual components of the software for correctness. Question 5. Which tool is most commonly used for performance testing? A. JMeter. B. Selenium. C. Junit. D. GitHub. The correct answer is A. JMeter. JMeter is widely used for performance testing, specifically for load and stress tests. Question 6. What does test coverage refer to? A. The percentage of code tested by the tests. B. The number of tests executed in a project. C. The number of defects found during testing. D. The scope of the test plan. The correct answer is A. The percentage of code tested by the tests. Test coverage measures the extent to which the code is covered by tests. Question 7. What is black box testing? A. Testing based on internal code structure and design. B. Testing based on functionality and user requirements. C. Testing the system's performance under load. D. Testing the security of the system. The correct answer is B. Testing based on functionality and user requirements. Black box testing focuses on evaluating the system based on its functionality, without knowledge of internal code. Question 8. What is white box testing? A. Testing the internal workings of the system. B. Testing the system's functionality based on user requirements. C. Testing performance under stress. D. Testing for security vulnerabilities. The correct answer is A. Testing the internal workings of the system. White box testing examines the internal logic and structure of the code during testing. Question 9. What is acceptance testing? A. Testing to check whether the system meets user needs. B. Testing to verify individual modules in isolation. C. Testing to ensure the system performs well under load. D. Testing done after the system goes live to find defects. The correct answer is A. Testing to check whether the system meets user needs. Acceptance testing ensures that the system meets business and user requirements before the system is released. Question 10. What is exploratory testing? A. Testing performed without predefined test cases, to explore the system. B. Testing conducted by automated testing tools. C. Testing the system for performance under heavy load. D. Testing based on the historical use of the system. The correct answer is A. Testing performed without predefined test cases, to explore the system. Exploratory testing allows testers to discover defects by actively exploring the application without scripts. Question 11. What is stress testing? A. Testing to ensure system reliability under normal conditions. B. Testing the system's performance under extreme conditions. C. Testing for bugs and security features. D. Testing the system's usability and user-friendliness. The correct answer is B. Testing the system's performance under extreme conditions. Stress testing evaluates how the system behaves under extreme stress or load conditions. Question 12. What is end-to-end testing? A. Testing the system's internal functions. B. Testing the entire application workflow from start to finish. C. Testing the system under normal conditions. D. Testing only a single function of the application. The correct answer is B. Testing the entire application workflow from start to finish. End-to-end testing ensures the entire application works as expected from start to finish. Question 13. What is the primary benefit of test automation? A. Faster execution and repetitive test execution. B. Improved test case documentation. C. Manual testing validation. D. More comprehensive test planning. The correct answer is A. Faster execution and repetitive test execution. Test automation helps speed up repetitive tests and improves overall testing efficiency. Question 14. What is the purpose of user acceptance testing? A. To test if the system meets technical requirements. B. To test system features against user needs and business requirements. C. To ensure the system's performance under load. D. To test code functionality during the development phase. The correct answer is B. To test system features against user needs and business requirements. UAT ensures the system meets the expectations and requirements of end users. Question 15. Which testing type focuses on testing the interactions between integrated modules? A. Unit testing. B. Integration testing. C. System testing. D. Acceptance testing. The correct answer is B. Integration testing. Integration testing verifies that different modules or components work together as expected. Question 16. What is the test execution phase? A. Writing test cases. B. Running test cases and recording results. C. Identifying the scope of testing. D. Fixing defects found during testing. The correct answer is B. Running test cases and recording results. Test execution involves running the tests and documenting the outcomes for analysis. Question 17. What is test environment? A. The place where test cases are written. B. The system configuration where testing takes place. C. The system's hardware used for deployment. D. The process of reporting defects. The correct answer is B. The system configuration where testing takes place. The test environment simulates the real-world conditions under which the system will run. Question 18. What is the main objective of security testing? A. To check for system functionality. B. To identify vulnerabilities and security risks. C. To ensure the system works under heavy load. D. To verify the user interface design. The correct answer is B. To identify vulnerabilities and security risks. Security testing aims to identify and fix potential vulnerabilities in the system. Question 19. What is black box testing based on? A. The internal structure of the code. B. The system's functionality and user requirements. C. The system's security features. D. The number of test cases executed. The correct answer is B. The system's functionality and user requirements. Black box testing is based on inputs and expected outputs without knowledge of the system's internals. Question 20. What is risk-based testing? A. Testing based on the complexity of the system's components. B. Testing that prioritizes high-risk areas with the potential for significant impact. C. Testing performed by external users. D. Testing the system's performance under maximum load. The correct answer is B. Testing that prioritizes high-risk areas with the potential for significant impact. Risk-based testing focuses on critical areas of the system where failure would have a significant impact.